this is the bug. I go into my Evernote. As you can see, I have my list view here. I have these other views which I'm not using. But let's go to list view, and then I go full screen, and what's happening is I go to another view, and you can see here the icon is still on list view, and I can't make the choice of the other view, even if I try to use my Apple 123 quick way. As you can see here, Evernote is the newest 1.3.02, and the software on the Mac is 10.7.2. I hope you can help me. Thank you.